Hi, this is Rebecca Gallego again today, and we are going to talk about taking our as-built drawings and altering the space and creating A drawings, which are the new construction plan. So let me show you one of our as-built drawings that we are doing here in our drafting class. We have just gone home. We took the dimensions on graph paper, and then we transferred those and drafted our floor plan onto our trace paper. Let me show you what that looks like. So you can see this is done in pencil and it's on trace paper, and the next step will be to take this drawing and transfer it onto vellum, which is a thicker paper, and that will be our final as-built drawing. The next step after we do the final as-built on the vellum will be to do a architectural drawing, or you could also call it a new construction plan. And I am going to go ahead and demonstrate to you that process of learning how to diagram the new construction plan, how to zone it, and so let's move on and we'll do that. Alright, the first step that you'll want to do is you'll want to actually take a piece of trace paper and lay it over your drawing. And we're going to look at what is the intention of this space. We've already discussed it with the client, and what they want to do is they want to take this sunroom, this existing sunroom. Let's take that and we'll just point it towards the sunroom a little bit. So do you see this sunroom? How it's a bit narrow, and so they're really wanting to take this in, the function of this, and turn it into a dining room. So they want to bring this wall out, and they're also wanting to add a bathroom, an additional bathroom over in this area. So what we're going to do, we're going to take trace paper and we're going to see what that looks like. So, and we're just going to sketch this. It doesn't have to be done with the straight edge. Where is let's use a scale. So right now this is drawn in 1/4 inch, which you can see here. We're going to use the 1/4 inch. So there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here it goes 3, 6, 9, and a hole. So let's go ahead and measure what this dimension is. It looks like it's about 12. I'm going to move this little camera and kind of show you what that looks like. So you can see from here to about here there's about 12 feet. So we can go ahead and maybe add 6 more feet to that. So we're going to take it here and add right up to there. So proportionately, we're going to do another half. There we go. Thank you. So we'll go to here. This client also is wanting to make this space lighter, and so they're thinking about adding a nano wall right here. So these are going to be operable. So if we keep these existing windows, well, this wall is actually going to have to come into this wall. So, and then we could go here. And then how are we going to create a bathroom here? So let's look at this dimension. That's 1/8 inch, so we need to go back to our 1/4 inch scale. So we have 5 feet. Actually, that's perfect. A standard bathroom tub is 5 feet. So this client is actually not wanting a tub. They are just wanting a shower. So that's a good amount. If we did that here, we could do, they already have a wall here, We could do a shower, and then maybe a vanity, maybe a double vanity, and then our water closet. And then maybe this is a pocket door entry. And again, I just need an eraser here. Erase that. So we're going to punch a hole. Maybe this isn't exactly what the client wants because this is an exterior wall, so there's opportunity for some windows. But this is the way we started off. So here's one idea, and then let's say, oh, we don't really like this. You know, maybe we like this addition of the 6 feet, but maybe the bathroom, we want to reorganize that. And so we're just going to take our trace paper, take our trace paper, move it down, and move it over, and try it again. So here, maybe we want to keep those windows. So maybe we create, here, and we put the shower here, and then we put the vanity on this side. Maybe this has a bump out. Having a different relief on the exterior makes the exterior more interesting, and maybe this is has its own door. Or maybe it's a pocket door here because of the space, but it's enclosed, so it creates more privacy. And then you could have, here we go. And so then that gives us an opportunity for some windows on the exterior. And then again, we're going to extend this out to, what did we say, if it is 12 plus 6, where's my 1/4 inch? There we go. Just angle it down a little bit more so they can see that. So I'm just going to need 6 more feet, which is right here. Let's erase that. It helps to use the table as a stabilizer for your hand. So did you see how when I used the table that it actually, whoops, where are we at? Pull it up just a little bit so they can see my hand. Or just the whole thing goes up like this. There we go. When I'm using the table, it creates a stable surface for my hand to make a straight line. If I'm going like this, it can be wonky a little bit. My hand's not as stable. So I'm just going to use the table to make straight lines. Even though I'm sketching, it's always best to keep them as straight and orderly as possible. So come in 3, this is actually a wall here. So that would connect here, and then I'm going to come in 3 to 4 inches at least before I start my nano wall. Maybe we divide that, and then that one goes down, so then we erase that one. And then we go up again. We have these windows. So we're just playing with the space right now, and then we can place furniture in it and see if that works. You know, here's the fireplace. Again, I'm just sketching this fast. And I can see I can orient my table like this. I'm running out of lead. Let me get one more pencil. Okay, just angle it like that. There we go. So this would be a lovely table. We would be able to sit 8, 9, 10 along this table. Put some kind of chandelier here. So I think that works well. And so this student will actually keep working with this and see what other opportunities there are in the space. All right. So after we've done a couple of those rough sketches with trace paper, what's going to happen is the student will take the sketches that she's done, and she's going to make a decision of what the best solution is for the space, and then she will take the as-built drawing and change it into a new construction drawing with the new changes. And then at that time we're going to learn how to draw existing walls, demo walls, and new walls, existing walls, and the walls that we want to demo. All right, thanks so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.